Yo guys, what's up? So how's it going? Today we're looking at AMC. Got this put option out there. I want to see if I can roll it out because it's going to expire today. So let's see. Alright, so we're trying to roll it a week, but it's going up to 60. So I want to try not to do that. And it looks like either 55 or 60 is the key, or the new put prices. So I might have to go out a little further than I want to. November, still got to pay. Wow. To go down, roll down diagonally. That's not good. See if we can go out further. Got to December. That seems like almost a leap. And still not a great price. Alright guys, this does not look good for me today. I'll check in later today, but I'm calling this fail. We're failing. So I don't want to roll it up to 60, so I don't want to get that big credit. Alright guys, that's all I have. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.